Welcome in welding workshop. Today we are going to perform the shearing cutting. So here we have the hand lever shear machine, and also we have the hydraulic shearing machine. So by starting, we are going to start by using the hand lever shear machine. The hand lever shear machine has three main parts. Has the two blades, the upper blade and the down blade. This blade should be fixed or stationary. And also we have other device which can use to hold our workpiece. So now by cutting, you have to start by measuring. We take your tape measure, and then you measure. After measuring, you have to mark. So we are going to cut 40 centimeters. After marking, you have to hold your workpiece. You have to look if your mark line is on this blade. After holding your workpiece, you have to apply the force on the upper blade in order to cut your workpiece. And then you're starting slow by increasing the force. After increasing the force, your sheet metal it can cut off. After cutting, you have to pick your workpiece and then check your measurement is correct. So for this shear machine, you use your force. And also here we have another machine which can use to cut the material which have the big thickness. This hydraulic shear machine, it can use to cut the plate or the metal which has the thickness around 5, 6, or 10. So for cutting with this machine, also you have to take the measurement of the workpiece you want. Here we are going to cut 20 centimeters. After marking, you take your workpiece to the hydraulic shear machine. You have to check if this metal has the right angle with the blade in order to cut the straight line. And then we press the hydraulic motor on. After the hydraulic motor on, I can press this blade, the upper blade should come down in order to cut the metal. I press with the foot. If the upper blade comes down, it cuts directly your workpiece. And then you take your workpiece. After cutting, you take your workpiece and then you go in the fabrication or in metal forming what you want. Thank you for your presence.
Thanks.